मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm so excited, I'm very happy, and I'm truly grateful that I am the one who is going to represent Pakistan in Miss World. So I started back in 2022 where I got selected as Miss Pakistan 2022, and then I went to different pageants such as Miss Global, Miss Cosmo, Miss Earth, and then 4 years after, I am the first ever Miss World Pakistan 2026. मैं 24 साल की हूँ. मैं Danish University पढ़ती हूँ, master करती हूँ. I live in Denmark. So my dad is from that side. He also lives in Denmark, but when I used to come here, I also went to Gujarat to visit my dad's side of the family, which is very nice. I like it over there. I'm expecting a good time where I can show how beautiful Pakistan is and shows our values and norms so people get the right perspective of our country. I want people to remember who we are. I want to enhance our beauty, and I want to show also our culture, our diversity, because that is very important. So in the competition, I will not use my Danish side or something like that. I want to focus on my Pakistani side because I am Pakistani. I am Pakistani citizen, and I love my country, and that is why I'm going also because I want to show off how beautiful Pakistan is. So my main goal is to do my national costume, which is something that shows Pakistan. Actually, my national costume is something that shows a Pakistani monument, which I am very excited about. We worked really hard on that. Also, I want to try to wear some shalwar kameez kurta under the competition, also to show how beautiful Pakistani clothes is.